हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू। आज की वीडियो है सुपर स्पेशल बिकॉज आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आया हूँ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर फ्रेशर्स। यस, यू हर्ड इट राइट। कंपनीज लाइक एक्सेंचर एंड जेनपैक्ट आर हायरिंग फ्रेशर्स फॉर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट रोल्स। तो अगर आप एक फ्रेशर हो या करियर के स्टार्टिंग फेज में हो, दिस कुड बी योर परफेक्ट ब्रेक इनटू एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे और रिव्यू करेंगे कौन सी कंपनीज हैं हायर कर रही हैं फॉर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट फ्रेशर्स। What are the key skills these companies are looking for? Expected salary क्या होगी in 2025? ऑल्सो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं आप इन जॉब पोजीशंस के लिए, और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपने कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे एंड एक्सप्लोर करते हैं ये अमेजिंग जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज स्टेप बाय स्टेप। बट उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आप पहली बार इस चैनल पे विजिट कर रहे हैं, मेक श्योर यू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन फॉर रेगुलर जॉब अपडेट्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स एंड बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स। अगर आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम और मेरे फेसबुक पेज पे भी फॉलो करते हैं सो दैट आपको रेगुलर बेसिस पे इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब अपडेट्स, करियर डेवलपमेंट टिप्स और इंटरव्यू टिप्स भी मिलते रहें। नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स जंप राइट ऑन द कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन एंड सी व्हाट आर द जॉब्स अवेलेबल फॉर दिस वीक। First company on the list is Accenture, hiring for business analysts for Bangalore location. Stipend would be competitive, experience 0 to 2 years. Key roles and responsibilities: expected to build knowledge and support the team, participate in problem solving discussions, collaborate with cross functional teams to gather and analyze requirements, document business processes and workflows to identify areas of improvement, assist in the development of business cases and project proposals. Proficiency in functional test planning, strong analytical skills to assess business processes and identify improvements. Educational qualification: if you are a fresher with a degree in data science, computer science, statistics, mathematics, or related, you can apply for the job post. Ability to communicate effectively with stakeholders at all level, familiarity with project management tools and techniques, experience with agile methodologies, and the candidate should have minimum 0 to 2 years of experience in functional test planning. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is Genpact, hiring for data analyst for Pune location, salary 5 to 7 lakhs per annum, experience 1 to 2 years. Key roles and responsibilities: review and approve competitor article matches, ensuring alignment with business standards and strategic pricing objectives. Analyze outlier data to identify significant anomalies, leveraging insights to adjust and correct foundation pricing data. Also, monitor and evaluate competitor pricing strategies using data driven approaches to recommend strategic adjustment. Collaborate with cross functional teams to address pricing and analytical requests. Stay current on industry retail pricing trends with a particular focus on competitor price changes, and contribute to ongoing projects to refine pricing models. Educational qualification for the job post: so if you have recently completed a college or university degree or equivalent degree in finance, marketing, strategy, you can apply for the job post. Desired skills: knowledge of retail operations and pricing strategies with a strong emphasis on competitive pricing matches and data analysis. Strong analytical skills, particularly in identifying trends and outliers in pricing data. Proficiency in Excel and PowerPoint, experience with SQL, Alteryx, and Tableau would be a plus. So if you have these required experience, technical skills, you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link, and you'll get the description link in the description box of this video. Next company on the list is AiDash, hiring for business analyst intern, location Gurgaon, experience fresher, salary would be competitive. Key roles and responsibilities: work closely with CSMs, means customer success managers, product managers, and clients to understand the business problems AI-Dash is solving. Also collaborate with teams across functions to break down complex changes into smaller manageable parts for analysis. Support the use of analytical methods and AI-powered tools to uncover insights that contribute directly to product improvements and user experience. Assist in creating dashboards, reports, and presentations that translate data into clear and actionable recommendations. Educational qualification: if you are currently pursuing or recently completed a bachelor's degree in technical or analytical fields such as engineering, computer science, math, you can apply for the job post. Desired skills: a strong interest in analytical and customer success or consulting, with an prior internship or academic project experience in related areas being a plus. Comfortable working with data and solving a structured problem, ability to approach problems with a logical and analytical mindset. And if you are familiar with tools like Python, SQL, Excel, or any GenAI tool, that would be a bonus. And this is the link to apply for this job post. Next company on the list is Revoult, hiring for business analysts for remote location, experience 1 to 3 years. Salary would be 5 to 9 lakhs per annum. So if you're looking for any remote job opportunity as a business analyst, you can review this job post. Key roles and responsibilities: maintaining platform security by managing user groups and assigning permissions based on entity and geography. Also, coordinate with internal and external technology teams to resolve user issues and delivery time platform fixes. Support software upgrades and platform enhancements to improve performance and reliability. Developing and maintaining documentation and playbooks to support repeatable, scalable delivery. And planning and executing UAT, including creating test cases and validating outcomes with stakeholders. If you have completed a 4-year degree or equivalent experience, you can apply for the job post. Hands-on experience with SQL for data analysis and report validation. Financial product knowledge, including a detailed understanding of trade, transaction life cycles, and regulatory requirements. Experience with regulatory reporting, particularly EBA reporting frameworks like COREP and FINREP. A track record of performing UAT, preparing detailed test cases, and working with developers and business users to ensure a smooth implementation. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is Citi, hiring for business analyst, experience 0 to 3 years, location Bangalore, salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. Key roles and responsibility: translate data into consumer or customer behavioral insights to drive targeting and segmentation strategies and communicate clearly and effectively to business partners. Also, continuously improving process and strategies by exploring and evaluating new data sources. Work closely with internal and external business partners in building, implementing, tracking, and improving decision strategies. Appropriately assess risk when these business decisions are made, demonstrating particularly consideration for the firm's reputation and safeguarding Citigroup. If you have completed bachelor's degree in data science, business and admin or related, you are eligible for this job post. Ability to work in cross-functional teams, excellent data wrangling and visualization skills, good knowledge of SQL is expected, and good communication skills, both verbal and written, and ability to work with cross-functional partners and team members. And the link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. Next company on the list is Price Labs, hiring for business analyst, location Pan India, salary would be competitive, experience 0 to 1 year. Key roles and responsibilities: maintain and document metadata for dashboards and datasets to ensure traceability and clarity. Track dashboard regularly to monitor performance metrics and flag unusual trends. Support the analytics team with ad hoc data related requests, ensuring timely delivery and accuracy. Pull data and derive insights from existing systems and dashboards to support decision making. And help streamline data workflows by ensuring proper data hygiene and documentation. A student or recent graduate with a strong interest in data science, analytics, or business intelligence can apply for this job opportunity. Basic understanding of large language models and how they are applied in modern data tools like ChatGPT or Code Interpreter. Proficiency in Excel like pivot tables, lookups, and basic form. Desired skills: basic understanding of large language models and how they are applied in modern data tools like ChatGPT, Code Interpreter. Proficiency in Excel like pivot tables, lookups, and basic formulas is a must, and SQL knowledge is a must. So if you have these technical skills, you are comfortable with key roles and responsibilities, qualification, and location as well, you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link. Next company on the list is Citco, hiring for business analyst for Mumbai location, experience 0 to 1 year, salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. Key roles and responsibilities: maintain project reporting and project plans used for senior management reporting, create business requirements, user stories, acceptance criteria for software documentation, assess business process for transformation and or automation, lead discussion with stakeholders, assist with migration of clients from legacy systems to Citco Rex platform, create creative reconciliation solution, document and communicate business outcomes and gains from proposed solutions. Skills and qualification: if you have undergrad degree in finance, accounting, economics, mathematics, computer science, you can apply for the job post. Desired skills: exceptional communication skills, both written and oral, and the ability to capture a diverse audience, experience working on small or large projects, understanding of agile project management, and ability to work independently and in teams. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company on the list is Atrity, hiring for junior business analyst, location Chennai, salary would be competitive, experience 0 to 6 months. Key roles and responsibilities: assist in gathering, analyzing, and documenting business requirements, work closely with stakeholders to understand project goals and translate them into functional specifications, prepare and maintain sprint plans, user stories, and project documentation, participate in agile ceremonies such as daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives, support UAT, validate implemented feature against requirements. If you have completed a bachelor's degree in business, IT, computer science, or related field, you can apply for the job post. And if you have certification in business analysis like ECBA, CCBA, or equivalent, then your candidature would be preferred. Understanding of agile scrum methodologies, experience in sprint planning and documentation, familiarity with tools like Jira, Confluence, or similar. And there's the link to apply for this job opportunity. So friends, those were a few job opportunities for business analyst role. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and share this video to your needy friends as well. And do share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.